Hello, and welcome to another webinar brought to you by Skyrocket. Today's webinar is on Adventum Geometry A and B, Unit and Course Activities. I am your presenter, Hazel Rios. If you'd like to get a hold of me, please feel free to reach out at hazelrios@skyrocket-ed.com. For more training on Adventum, please access our digital course through Skyrocket Ed PD. This is available through your Okta. On today's agenda, we are covering unit and course activities. Let's get started. Unit and course activities. These unit and course activities that you will find throughout each course, Geometry A and Geometry B, are investigative and applicative in nature. They deepen understanding and tie concepts together. There really is no difference between unit or course activities. You will only find one per unit, either a unit or a course activity. You would never find both. These are graded assignments that the teachers must enter into the gradebook, and all unit and course activities are interactive, meaning the students interact with them through their computer. The unit activities are located in Geometry A, Units 1, 3, and 5, Geometry B, Units 6, 7, 9, and 10, and the course activities are located in Geometry A, Units 2 and 4, and Geometry B, Unit 8. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. Today we will look at Geometry B, Unit and Course Activities. For the first activity, in Unit 6, we have a unit activity. Just like the tutorials, we have a toolbar on the left. A table of contents. Again, you can navigate throughout this unit activity. A resource folder, which provides a scoring scale. This is a rubric so the students know how they are being scored. A dictionary. A reading tool. A translation tool. A calculator. Math tools that they may need to complete the unit activity, and highlighters. The unit activity will provide an objective, an introduction, followed by the rubric. Unit activities may contain one or more tasks. Students are responsible for completing every task and answering every question within every task. Again, these are being graded. Students have the option of printing out the unit activity, one task at a time, and completing these by hand. They are responsible, however, for submitting these online, meaning they need to enter their responses here in order for it to be marked as completed. Once they have completed each task, they will save and exit, and the teacher will then be responsible for grading this unit activity. Students are able to ask for help as necessary. Let's take a look at a course activity. Unit 8 of Geometry B has a course activity. Again, it is located at the beginning, however, can be completed at any time. If it is located at the beginning of the unit, it is because they may need to review some concepts that they will need to complete the rest of the unit. Course activities also have a toolbar on the left, table of contents, resources, again the scoring scale, dictionary, reading tool, translation tool, calculator, math tool, These are the tools they will need to complete this course activity, and highlighter. This course activity provides an objective, a short introduction, and a rubric. This particular course activity only has one task. However, there may be more tasks in other course activities. Same as the unit activity, the students are able to print it out. Students must respond here in order for it to be marked as completed on Edmentum. And once they have answered all of the questions in each task, save and exit, and the teacher is responsible for grading the course activity and entering that grade into the gradebook. Thank you so much for joining us today, and please join us on January 17th for a live webinar brought to you by Skyrocket.